Hello students, welcome to the channel. We are learning the basics of active and passive voice. In the first part, we have learned how to identify the subject and the object correctly. In this part, we will learn identification of active and passive voice. So let us begin with the identification of active and passive voice. Just like maths, we will see some formula here. The formula for active voice is SVO, which is subject, verb and object. The formula for passive voice is OV3 by S. As we can see, the position of object and subject is different in active and passive voice, just the opposite. The verb is converted into V3, which is the past participle form, and there is a by between the verb and the subject. V3 is the past participle form of the verb. Let us consider a verb eat, where eat is a V1 form, also called as the base form of the verb. Ate is V2, also called as the past form of the verb, and eaten is V3, the past participle form of the verb. Remember, in passive voice, we always use the past participle form of the verb, which is the V3 form. Let us understand this with the help of an example. First example is Mrs. Sudha Murthy has written a new book. In this sentence, written is the verb. Mrs. Sudha Murthy is the subject. A new book is the object. This will be easier once you have learned the first part of the video correctly. Now when we look at the pattern, subject, verb, object, SVO, we can see that it is similar to the pattern of active voice. So this sentence is in active voice. Let us see another example. A satellite has been launched by the scientists. Here launched is the verb, the scientists is the subject, and satellite is the object. Here the pattern is OVS, just like the passive voice, OVS. So this sentence is in passive voice. Let us see another example. Boys are playing football. Here playing is the verb, the boys is the subject, and football is the object. When we look at the pattern, we will see that here we have SVO, much of that like the active voice, SVO. So this sentence is an active sentence. The last example which we will see today is a holiday has been declared by the government. Declared is the verb, government is the subject, and holiday is the object. So this sentence, the pattern goes OVS, just like that of passive voice, OVS. So this last sentence is passive voice. So keep learning and keep practicing. That's all for today. We will see the next topic in the next part.